Holy crap, my house is gone. Torn into pieces. That is insane. Insane. In one day, 4 hours. The trees are gone. The entire house is gone. This is just crazy. Alrighty, so it's Saturday, November 6th, and this is day one of construction. So I actually woke up to the email saying that my permit was approved from the city, and I ended up getting the email like 8 a.m. as well as my contractor. And I guess my contractor hopped right on over here with the excavator, started tearing down the entire house, pulling up trees and everything. And by the time I woke up at 1 p.m., I got a call from him saying the house was already down. So I rushed over here, and this is where we're at. The house is gone already, and he's already working on taking out all these huge trees we had in the back. I don't know if you've ever seen in the last video. There were a lot of like giant trees. And we're actually gonna take out that shed that's directly behind me as well, and a lot of the other trees on the property. So let's go look at it real quick. So we're only a few hours into construction, a few hours into demolition, and the whole house is gone. I mean, it's in pieces, as you can see, completely gone. A lot of these trees have been destroyed already. It's crazy. Go over here, see still more trees that have been destroyed already, pulled out. This is a big one. You see him over here digging up pretty much the roots to all the trees and digging them all out. It's pretty much a huge giant mud pit over here. Alrighty, so it is day 3 here at the new build. A lot of the torn down house pieces have actually been thrown away. This is trash bin number 5 and 6. So they've already went through 4 other ones. As you see over here, we still have the shed to take care of, which I think we're gonna take care of tomorrow. And then a lot of the other trees have been pulled out. You just see these kind of like trees everywhere. One of the guys accidentally broke the neighbor's fence. As you can see kind of right over there, fence is all broken. But it's an easy fix. They're gonna fix that this week. But all over here, just all broken down trees, and everything's a little more open now. Alrighty, here we are. It is day 7, November 13th, here at the new build. Demolition is still going on. It's been a little slow the last couple of days due to rain and due to the trash bins being full and they weren't able to come pick them up. We did just get a new bin in. This one is empty, but it takes them forever to come pick them up and empty them. There's still a little bit more trash over here to get picked up from the house being torn down. There's still that little deck over there that needs to get picked up, and then a whole bunch of trees in the back that we tore out. If I'm correct, I think there's like 5 more trees that need to get pulled out, plus that shed in the back. But that's probably like a few hours worth of work. And then once all that's done and this is all cleaned up, we just kind of have to level it all and kind of make it all smooth, since it's all kind of bumpy and everything from the house getting torn down and the trees getting pulled out and all that good stuff. So hopefully a couple more weeks till the demo's done, and then we're still waiting on permits to get approved and surveys to be done to actually start the actual build itself. So I'm not really too rushed on getting the actual demo done at a certain time frame because we can't even start building yet, but we're getting there. Alrighty, so demolition's pretty much over, and as you see, all of the shrubs that were at the very front of the property are now gone. They don't exist anymore. There's not really much left to do demo-wise here, except for getting rid of this trash bin right in front of me and clearing out all those trees in the back. But right now they're kind of at a standstill because they're waiting on the permits for building, and it looks like we're pretty far out, like a month and a half out from getting that permit right now. So I don't think they're too rushed at the moment to finish this demo part, because it truthfully doesn't make a difference at the moment. As you see, this is the front of the property right here. Before, there were maybe 10 to 12 feet tall shrubs right there. The driveway, a big trash bin full with mostly the shed and the leftover remains of the house. The house was right here, pretty much. Now it doesn't exist. And then there was trees everywhere all over the property. You know, so far they still have a few trees left. They've got this one right here, but they're just so close to the fence line. They want to actually just cut them down with a chainsaw and then try to dig them out. Might be a little easier than using the excavator and possibly damaging the fence even more. Just like that part of the fence is completely gone. But all that over there is just all cut down trees and limbs and everything. But we are getting there. So once again, I'm super excited that this whole thing is happening. I'm super excited as to where we are at in the process. And the biggest thing that I've learned so far is that I'm not really getting my hopes up on a time frame for this project. I do want this to be done in, you know, a few months. However, you never know with permits and you never know with all these delays here and there. So as long as I'm in the house sometime next year, I will be happy. And this is where we're at right now. And I couldn't be any happier. So hopefully in our next video, we'll talk about some more stuff like different costs of everything and how I'm really planning for this project behind the scenes. So this is where we're at right now, and we will see you guys in our next video.